In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live chat with Nordvpn support. Whether you need help with your subscription, want to know more about a specific feature, or need assistance with any VPN related issue, Nordvpn's live chat support can provide the answers you're looking for. Let's dive into each step to ensure you can quickly connect with a support representative. First, open your web browser and head over to nordvpn.com. This is the starting point for accessing the live chat feature and beginning your journey towards resolving any issues you might have. Most browsers will navigate there quickly, and it's important to start from the official site to ensure you're accessing genuine support. Once you're on the Nordvpn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you will find an option labelled Help Center. Click on this link. It's designed as a direct pathway to various support options provided by NordVPN. This section of their website is a useful resource not just for contacting support, but also for visiting their extensive knowledge base. After you've entered the Help Center, scroll down the page. You'll need to navigate all the way to the bottom where you'll find the Chat Support option. Clicking this will initiate the chat feature. It's a user-friendly tool designed to guide you through common questions and rapidly connect you to more personalized help. When you click chat support, a chat box will appear, typically on the right-hand side of your screen. This small box is your gateway to getting the help you need. It starts by interacting with a chatbot that will attempt to assist you with common inquiries or guide you toward relevant information. To proceed, type a brief question into the chat box. You might say something like, "I need help with my subscription," or "How do I cancel auto renewal?" Being concise yet specific helps the system understand your needs better and can make your support experience smoother. Following your question, the chatbot will offer automated replies. These initial responses might resolve simple concerns directly. However, if you're looking for a human touch or have a complex issue, simply type "Talk to live agent." This key phrase alerts the system that you wish to be connected with a real person. Within moments of your request to speak with a live agent, you'll be connected to a support representative. This person is trained to assist you with anything from technical difficulties to account management queries. Their goal is to provide you with the solutions you need efficiently and effectively. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can navigate through NordVPN's helpful support resources and get in touch with a live agent whenever necessary. I hope this guide makes your support experience both easy and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out to NordVPN support whenever you need assistance.